My name is Preeti
Recording.
Agarwal.
Yes, Preeti ji, tell me.
Jai Gurudev. My name is
Jai
Preeti
Gurudev.
Agarwal. I'm from West Bengal, Purulia. फर्स्ट ये कोर्स करने के पहले मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम था कि किस तरह का कोर्स है, कैसे है। जस्ट मैंने थोड़ा सा कुछ वीडियोस देखा था आपका, एंड देन मुझे फील हुआ कि हाँ, कि मेरे ऊपर भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रही थी लाइफ में, मेरे इमोशंस को लेके। तो मैंने सोचा कि हाँ, ये कोर्स करते हैं, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन। एंड देन उसके बाद जो 5 डेज का कोर्स हुआ, तो डेली मैंने फील किया अपने इमोशंस को, एंड देन जज करना शुरू किया पीपल को। देन मुझे समझ में आया कि सब पीपल डिफरेंट है, एंड उनके इमोशंस भी हैं, तो हम रिएक्ट करना बंद कर दिए। एंड देन कामली सब सिचुएशन को हैंडल किए, एंड देन आई फील वेरी सेटिस्फाइड एंड आई फील वेरी हैप्पी कि ये कोर्स करके मुझे कुछ मिला। एंड इन फ्यूचर हम ये जरूर और लेवल 2 ये सब करेंगे, एंड पीपल के ऊपर भी हम सब जज करेंगे एंड ये सब प्रैक्टिस करेंगे।
सुपर।
थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू
बहुत
वेरी
अच्छा
मच।
लगा प्रीति जी, आपने बहुत अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट किया। क्लैप फॉर प्रीति जी, वेरी नाइस। इतना सुंदर होता है ना, एक एक इमोशन को जब सामने लेके आते हैं, देखते हैं, अपना खुद का मन भी एंटेंगल्ड हो जाता है उसमें से। यस, वेरी गुड। शीतू जी, शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस।
Jai Gurudev. This is
Jai Gurudev.
Shitu Khanna.
Yes.
I am an art of living teacher from Jalandhar, Punjab. And right now I am in Bangalore Ashram. This is a very, very beautiful, very empowering course. Actually, I am feeling very hopeful and very empowering. After doing this course, I got to know and different emotions, and I have got deeper insights, deeper level of maturity, and it will help me in accepting different people, situations, and emotions.
Super.
And I can help myself more, and I can support people around me.
ऐसे
Thank
लग
you
रहा है
so
मन
much.
एकदम खाली हो गया,
Yeah,
एकदम
yeah,
sorted
definitely.
हो गया इमोशनली।
Yeah, definitely. Actually, thank you so much, Digvijay ji and Apurva ji. Thank you so much.
सुपर। क्लैप फॉर शीतू जी,
Jai
बहुत मस्त
Gurudev.
एकदम उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया। वेरी नाइस। आई विल सी यू टुमारो इन आश्रम, आई विल मीट यू। गुड। देन हु विल गो नेक्स्ट? Malay, introduce yourself, share your experience.
Hello, bhai. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So my name is Malay Krishna Mahato, and I'm from West Bengal, Purulia district, and a remote like area. So and now I am doing PhD in IIT Madras in chemistry. So basically, yeah, I came to know this course from your YouTube channel on the Guru Grace History channel. So I have been watching this channel from this lockdown, like COVID lockdown. So and like almost all the stories I have seen, and then I have seen this like bachelor videos, and then I came to know that we can handle the emotion also. You know, so far I didn't have any idea. We are doing like any different kind of treatment. I didn't have any idea that we can control our emotions also by medicine. So this is the first time that I have like I have seen that video, and really I wanted to experience that. And this is the reason that I have registered for that course. And after doing this course with you, this was an amazing experience. Like the way you have teach everything, the kind of example you have given, like great. I feel it. And now, like after learning this, all the emotions, I can realize myself in which category I am. My friends are like in which category. And in PhD, you know, like a lot of ups and downs will go. So now I can handle it now, what I feel. So this was very good experience there. And now like I can treat, I think, and again, I'm interested in that level 2 also, and I'll definitely do that one. Thank you so much, Bhaiya.
I'm so glad to have you in our forum.
Yeah.
We always look for scientists, and that way from the chemical background, I'm sure you will contribute a lot to this field.
Sure,
Clap
sure.
for Malay. Very nice. Yeah, superb. Who will go next? Ojasvita ji, you want to share?
Yes, I
Yes.
can go.
Yeah.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Ojaswita Mishra. I'm an IT a professional from last 12 years, and looking forward to this course. To be honest, I waited for it that to happen. Since and I came to know about it, I think a few months back. I read about it in a book. Since then, I was looking for it, and then I found it on Guru Grace Story channel where Digvijay Bhaiya was posting videos about it. So I finally enrolled here. The experience about doing the course is like, I can see it's like the sea of all these 38 remedies revolving around me. I can spot them. Okay, here, the beach is going, everybody is walking behind me. So I can really see people and naming them like, these flowers. Okay, this is the person. And so it's kind of answer to question why it is like that, why it is like that. So I got that answer. I'm really looking forward to try the remedy and see how it helps. So the answer for how I'm really looking forward to experience. And of course, I see many people whom I can help. So I'll start with myself, and then of course I'm looking forward to level 2 as well. I'll do it. Thank you, Bhaiya.
Superb. और ये 5 दिन में आपके मन में क्या डिफरेंस आ रहा है अभी? Have you observed any change in your mind and emotions?
Yes, number one, few of the things which I learned hard way. I at least then this doing this course reassured me. Okay, that was the right thing to do at the right moment, and that was the right thing which I needed in my life. So it kind of affirmation for few of the things which already started changing, and for few of the things I realized that uh, instead of resenting it, I can think of curing it.
Superb. Clap for Ojasvita ji. Very enthusiastic participation in the training. A lot of sharing she did from her life and everything. Superb. Who will go next? Dipali ji. हाँ जी बताइए.
So I chanced upon this Bachklava remedy about some 3 years ago. And at that time, it was the very first time I'd heard about it. I wasn't too sure kya hai. I even went for consulting, and I think I took the consulting just for 15 days. It was just too new to me. I couldn't absorb it, but this thought remained with me. Now, what happened in the recent years is I'm generally a person where people will come to for emotional help. In the recent years, I have started observing that there are so many people around me who do everything possible to stay happy, from yoga to meditation to everything. But deep down, they all are somewhere hurt, or something or the other is not working out in their life. And I could never understand why that happens. So one of the interesting things that happened, it was, when we went for yoga, I went for yoga, some of my other friends went for yoga, and we went to some very good yoga teachers. वो योगा में the teachers used to say, tell me sometimes or to my friends sometimes, आपने मन में बात पकड़ के रखी है, आप छोड़ो, आप अपने मन को हल्का करो. Now this he used to say when we were doing shavasana, okay? And हमको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि what is he trying to say, right? But I just started joining the dots. I thought maybe there is something deep inside, which I'm not able to tackle it. I mean, at the face of it, I do not know what's the problem, but shayad kuch hai. And I also realized I have some set of friends around me who are in a similar position, and that's when I started believing that maybe emotions actually, have an impact. So, even though you're trying to cure yourself, maybe at the surface level you're getting cured, but deep down you're somewhere knotted. Now, this is what, got me interested. I thought I should try the Bachelor remedy. Because whenever Gurudev's meditations we do, he always says the mind is not in the body is in the mind, right? And it's really the mind that is so empowering. Now, mind is very well connected to emotions also. So I just started joining these dots, and then I was somewhere. I have been dealing. I saw this Bachelor thing coming in the Guru Stories channel. एक दो बार आया था पहले. I delayed it. I couldn't match the dates. But then this time I thought I should take the plunge, and I'm quite keen to see what I can unfold. Especially, with people who I have around me are really beautiful people, but I know they're all stuck. I may also be one of them, definitely. So I'm very excited to see how we can unfold and really see the impact of emotions on the body. So that is what really drew me to this, and I'm really looking forward to unfolding that.
Superb, superb. And these 5 days, what all changes you observed in yourself, in your mind, or in your thought process?
Right. So, see that it's a very natural thing. You always think you're right. Your nature is good. You're compassionate. You're tolerant. You're everything. But when we went through those categories of remedies, we said how some people they just keep tolerating. ना नहीं बोल पाते हैं, काम करते रहते हैं. But in turn, somewhere this is all harming them. I'm one of those. A part of me is one of those, right? So I started understanding that it is just because I don't see anything and I keep working for others, it is not necessarily right for me. Somewhere at a certain level, I am harming myself. So those are things that I realized. कि जो बाद में लगता था, you are always brought up by saying, अच्छे से चलो, सबका सुन के चलो. But somewhere you start suppressing yourself over the period of years. I also connected very well to that, we said conditioning, the conditioning of the mind because of long, situations that you've lived in. So I could connect to all that. कि हाँ शायद ये सब हुआ है. Somewhere in the process you've lost yourself. It's nice to be good to everybody, but at the same time you have to learn to take care of yourself. So these are the things that I, realized in this process. कि yes, there are things that I do. Like I said, I'm generally advocating a lot of things in my life. मैं कर लूँगी, नहीं भी करना है तो भी मैं करूँगी, because I want to keep my surrounding happy. I'm also water violet category. So I'm a person to whom people will always come. They will not know that I'm suffering in the background. To them, my exterior is fantastic. So yes, I at least understood कि this is there in the background. So that recognition is there, but I'm very keen to see how the remedies will start working and what is the transformation I can bring. But deep down, I have a very strong desire to really help out people. I mean, that is one thing that, when I quit my job 3 years ago, like I said, I was an IT professional for 26 years. Itni ajab baat hai, when I quit, I just knew one thing. Whatever I do, I must do in the name of wellness industry. I took out a chart. I wrote wellness industry, and wellness mein kitna kuch hai. There are so many industries. But I do not know why. I wrote I don't want to work in mental wellness. So, and somewhere Batch Flower connects to mental wellness. So somewhere now I'm seeing the dots joining. I have not literally done anything yet, but incidentally and very coincidentally, ऐसा हुआ है. I have been in touch with people who have been in depressions, taken them to psychiatrists, dealt with those situations. I mean, these are real situations that have very coincidentally happened with me in the past 2 years. And now I'm seeing the Batch Flower remedy. And now when I'm thinking of those people who I just, मतलब हाथ पकड़ के उनको psychiatrist के पास लेकर गई, I can now understand their mental health में क्या होता होगा उनको. So, like I'm saying, देखने का एक नजरिया बदला है, but I'm very keen on working on myself and somewhere, like how do we say loka samasta sukhina bhavantu, help these people around. I mean, I want to get empowered कि मैं हक से help कर सकूं, not just because I'm learning, but get myself to a stage where I can actually put this dream into practice. So this is I think this is the first time I'm being vocal about my dream. I have not told this dream to anybody because I come from an IT industry. कोई समझेगा ही नहीं why I want to work in wellness और मेरा mental के साथ क्या connection है. And I mean, there is no connection. I mean, I'm an IT person, but when I wrote down this and now, okay, let me just share one small thing. In January this year, I'm a part of one of those, guru pe jahan pe sab aate hain, anecdotes and everything. I was thinking, should I do Batch Flower or should I not do Batch Flower? Or am I just wasting my time and things like that? And then I just prayed. I said, Guruji, can you give me a message whether I should do Batch Flower? It is so surprising. वो messages में हमेशा एक image आता है कि so and so person is going to conduct meditation in silence. Sangeeta Jani is doing silence program from so and so date to so and so date. ऐसे बहुत आते. When I prayed like this, the next, and I have seen many kind of those postures that come, okay? that time, the poster that came was a lotus flower. Okay, it was a flower, और वो flower के अंदर एक बच्चा बैठा हुआ. Okay, so I have never seen any meditation poster जहाँ पे बच्चा बैठा हुआ है. I mean, आप ऐसा poster क्यों भेजोगे? All posters when you see for meditation or some person meditating, God meditating, or Guruji meditating, this is a child sitting inside a flower. And I just connected that to batch flower, you know, जैसे कि बच्चा flower, you know. And then I decided, नहीं, this is something I should do. उसके बाद 2 बार messages आए थे Guru Stories में, but my dates just didn't tally. Yeah, one feedback I can give here. I have just noticed Guru Stories पे जब भी ये batch flower level 1 के intimations आते हैं, I do not know, at least I generally, you know, there is hardly any notice. It is only 24 or 48 hours पहले आते हैं. It is never like, you know, it's 1 week down the line or 10 days down the line so that you can plan, you know, you can tell people I'm not there, I'm doing the training. So actually the last 2 times when I missed, it was because, you know, the messages just came 24 to 48 hours before. So I couldn't enroll. So that's just a feedback, you know, in case it is, you know, of any help. So वो बच्चा flower देखा, and then since then I decided नहीं करूँगी, and I'm so glad at least this year somehow I have now done this. Like I'm saying, I want to be empowered, you know, with a lot of grace to do this, you know, beautifully well.
Very nice. And in fact, this is right. Actually, since last few batches, I'm actually giving 24 hours notice because it is literally it's happening because I'm handling other social projects and बाकी चीजों में भी थोड़ा बिजी रहता हूँ. तो ऐसा लगता है यार अगले 4-5 दिन फ्री है, शाम को चलो ले लेते हैं यार.
Yeah.
You know, it's literally happening that
Yeah,
way.
I can understand. Yeah.
So but people who usually message me and they tell me, no, next time when it happens let me know. So उनको जैसे अभी next जो मैं करने वाला हूँ वो दिवाली के just immediately बाद Monday से मैं करने वाला हूँ, just before level 2. So but very good input. We should actually post it a little early and we will take that input. And another thing, definitely you should start a therapy center. You a registered therapy center in your house also you can start, and many people can come and get benefited. You should see some videos on our channel, people who were taking medications for bipolar, for depression, for suicidal tendencies, and they were not getting benefited. They actually got so much benefit from Bachelor. You should see all those testimonials, and it will what happens if people are coming to you with some problem, you can send the testimonial to them. देख यार इसको भी सेम प्रॉब्लम था, ठीक हो गया, है ना?
Right, yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Clap for Deepali ji. I'm sure with so much enthusiasm she will do much more.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Superb. Who else is there? Okay, Ria, would you like to share?
Yes, sir. I just got to know that people are vulnerable in their own way. I didn't know. Till now I just thought that okay, they are being rude or they are being mean for so as a particular reason. But I never thought why they must be behaving that way that they are behaving actually. And now I look at it in a deeper manner why they are that the way they are.
Okay. What else? What change you observe in yourself?
I'm more considerate now towards people.
Improve your perception about people. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice. Super. Oh, sorry, I got muted.